Up in the white, if you can see it. Yeah, he's there. Wow. He's really having a field day up here today.